Do you want the rest of those fries?
Hmm?
You want the rest of those fries?
You can have them.
Get over here. They're letting all the cars through there. Well, throw that away.
Why are all these people coming now? They could have been here ages ago and had more fun.
So they don't have to wait?
They could have had more fun.
If it's just adults, though.
Oh, yeah. Well, like if they have kids, why would they come so late? Why not just come early and have fun?
Yeah, there's no kids.
Oh. I knew that.
Where's my ketchup?
The sky is so pretty full. I can't see the moon though. But it's so pretty.
There's like a whole bunch of
Yeah.
Take a picture of all the Gillette Stadium. Take a picture of like, the Gillette Stadium.
Oh yeah.
Wait, can I try?
Nice.
Can I try?
Actually, the straws are in there. Yeah. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put one in the front seat.
Chelsea, can I try?
You want another one?
What you doing, Chelsea?
Yeah. She's doing her whistle thingamajig. I don't really want to break it. See.
You wanna go
Hey, I can't
outside
whistle.
and just
You gotta
fly
really blow.
and just fly. Hello. I'm taking a video. Just random.
Unpause it. Because I swear I'm gonna break it.
What is it?
I have no idea how to do that.
It's the whistle. That goes up. Well, it should.
Well, it's still a whistle.
The freaking instructions are in some other.
You look very angry. You try to be happy, but you're very angry.
Soda just tapped.
Oh jeez.
Put them in here.
She's angry.
Yay!
It's a freaking miracle.
No kidding.
Oh, nice. It works. When I was younger, I cracked it and just sprayed in my eye.
Right, there's a couple extra
Keep on,
sodas
keep
too
it.
if you want them. When you
What? My tablet's almost dead. What?
Would you stop that, Pip Pip Chevy-ow? Gosh.
Oh, you can try it.
Pip Pip Chevy-ow.
No.
Show Bryce. You should show Bryce.
You said take a picture of that.
Oh, I already
Oh
did.
my god. No, it's different now. It's more pretty.
Oh wow.